Hello readers, welcome back. If you'd like to hear directions, please watch the video. Thank you for watching. How are you? Take 3 breaths, in with the good, out with the bad. Where are you on the compass? I am acting today. Ignite your ideas. You've been reading for the main message. This quarter you get to focus on topics you think are important. Quarter 2 gives you the opportunity to develop a teen TED Talk on a topic of your choice. I will break up this big project into manageable chunks. Remember, if a lesson seems too hard, just look at what is highlighted in yellow, the sentence stems, and look at my example. You can do this. The work will be worth it because the lessons you learn will help you with middle school and high school. Chunk, what will you talk about? Let's think about topics. For instance, astronaut Victor Glover invites you to think about how the world could be a better place. You can ask, what does your home culture value? Sharing your cultural values helps everyone learn to make the world better, because values are cherished, well-loved ideas. Victor Glover and the Smithsonian. When immersing oneself in a topic, researchers, historical topic, investigate historical topic, civics issues, and science studies. Remember your historic history day research topic. We are offering an ELA that students can work on the same topic. Just make sure to respond to ELA assignments and discussions. Here are sample history day topics. Aerospace is our focus at Farnsworth Aerospace, the home of future leaders. If you would like to consider other topics, the following are examples of nonfiction topics. List of possible research topics: historical topics, contemporary topics, and science topics. Immigration, free speech, immigration bias, racial bias, plastic pollution, ecosystem preservation. View these links and learn about these research topics to find one you are passionate about. Aerospace, climate change tech set, video games, plastic pollution tech set. So let's click on aerospace. And you sign in with Google or Clever, whichever you prefer. And here's another freedom of speech text set. And then you just go ahead and click on these. Okay. The Common Core goals determine an author's point of view or purpose in a text and analyze how the author distinguishes his or her position from that of others. Review. Talk about these topics with your family. Tell them about astronaut Victor Glover's invitation to think about how to make the world a better place and to ask your family about what they think would help. Sentence stems. My home culture values my family, and I think the world would be a better place if. A topic I would like to look into is. Rubric. All 3 questions are answered with well thought out ideas presented in full sentences. 3. All 3 questions answered with developed ideas in full sentences. And 2. All 3 questions answered, however, they're incomplete sentences. 1 sentence answers, but incomplete sentences, and 0, 1 or fewer sentences answered. My home culture values education. This is my example. My family and I think the world would be a better place if. Our culture supported education more. A topic I would like to look into is free speech. Thank you, students.